This is Solid Signal's exclusive unboxing of the SureCall Fusion2Go 3.0 fleet. This product was going to be called the Fusion2Go 3.0 NMO, and you might still find some boxes that actually say that. Our evaluation unit did say that. But moving forward, this is going to be called the Fusion2Go 3.0 fleet. It's really designed for trucks and anything where you mount the booster directly to the vehicle. You actually drill a hole in the vehicle to put the booster in. Taking a look in the box, you have some instructions. We'll put that aside for a second. And this one's shipped with a vent mount, which I'm not sure if the final production one will. I think it will though. This is the main booster. As you can see, this thing is solid metal. This is really well made, and that's where SureCall really shines, because it's a solidly built piece of equipment that's going to last a long time. That's really important. Taking away this piece of foam, you find all the other cables, the registration stickers, the antennas, things like that you're going to need for this. As I said, this is a pre-production model, and it's possible the packaging may change somewhat. This is a little NMO antenna. I'll show you that more closely. You also get the indoor antenna, some mounting hardware, all the pieces that you're going to need for professional installation. And I do recommend professional installation unless you're comfortable with drilling into your vehicle. This is the NMO antenna itself and the assembly. The NMO antenna is small. It's smaller than a soda can. It's actually about as tall as your index finger. But what's really amazing is it's much more sensitive than you would think, and you get great performance from such a small antenna. That's SureCall's engineering at work for you, really. The other piece that's unique to this is the cable that's designed for permanent 12-volt installation. Because there's no lighter socket adapter, you actually have the fuse directly built into this thing. And that's important. You can't just take the lighter socket adapter and cut the end off of it and use it, because you really need a fused connection. Honestly, I was very impressed by this piece. I don't happen to have a fleet vehicle, so I wasn't able to do a full installation, but I know it's going to work really well for somebody who needs that sort of thing.